The last play on folio 26 recto is a kick to the groin. I'm terribly sorry, Jess. So she comes to strike, I parry, hoof her in the nuts, and it makes her cover falter, which allows me to strike. In other words, for a moment, she's not fully in control of her sword. Boom, and I can strike. Okay? Let's not do that too many times. No. Once more. Yeah. And there we go. I do like that one.
I mean, I faltered in anticipation of the kick.
Yeah, well, you knew it was coming. Yeah. Now, in the text, but not the pictures, Fiore says the counter to this is with the left hand, you catch the leg. Be gentle, Jessica.
Gentle.
Yeah. Whoop. And this, of course, puts me in a very bad position. And again, if you're practicing this, go very carefully with your friends, and if you're not solid with your kicking, if your kicking is not stable and accurate, don't do this. Practice until your kicks are stable and accurate before you kick your friends in the crotch. Unfortunately for me, Jessica knows the counter. And also knows some very nasty things to do from there. If I was left-handed, same thing applies. The main difference, of course, is the counter is going to be trickier for Jessica. Yeah. So as she comes to strike, I parry, and the only hand that's available is the sword hand, and it is quite difficult for most people to let go of the sword with their dominant hand at the critical moment. So actually, the cross-handed pair, the kicker has the advantage here. Once more. Of course, if you know it's coming, it's not that hard.